We have got a 500 rupee note, and then we're going to see what can we eat in that 500 rupees. Can we fill our big stomachs with this 500 rupees? I hope you all are doing good. I am in Hyderabad, the location Madhapur, right opposite National Institute of Fashion Technology. Here you have a lot of options to explore. You've got veg, non-veg and amazing liquid drinks. So let's try this place and let's explore what varieties do we have. The most unique thing about this street is it is a place you can go to with your family or your friends. However, it is most enjoyable when you are with your friends considering you're drunk. It starts around 9:30 p.m. generally, but at times due to COP restrictions, expect it to open after 11:30 p.m. running up to 12:30 in the night. It offers a wide variety of quick foods for vegetarians and non-vegetarians expect biryani. So all you biryani lovers out there, this place is not for you. Options available are momos, parathas with curries, idlis, dosas, button idlis, barbecue chicken, fried chicken, kulfi, fresh fruit juices, thick shakes and local tea stall for your water, and the list goes on. With that wide variety of lip-smacking quick food, your pockets are still going to be full as the cost are very affordable. I was here on the weekend and the place was full with food lovers, families and kids. The place being in the heart of the city, surrounding with lots of pubs, discos, bars and corporates enables it to be open late nights. The best thing I like here was the kebab at the Scooter Wala Bhaskar and of course the coconut shake at Coco's. So stick around till the end of this video, and if you liked it, consider subscribing to my channel. Can we fill our big stomachs with this 500 rupees? And for my first spot, we've got here Bhaskar, the amazing guy on the scooter. It's a barbecue setup on the scooter. Let's try this. He's got a lovely concept here of barbecue on the scooter. They say two wheels move your soul, but Bhaskar Anna right here, he's moving the whole bodies. So let's find out how this all started and how is it going. So Anna, మీరు ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేశారన్న ఇది?
లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ నవంబర్ నుంచి అన్న.
ఓకే సో దీని ఇంకా రీజన్ ఏంది? వాట్స్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్?
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను డ్రైవర్ జాబ్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే.
లాక్డౌన్ టైంలో జాబ్ పోయింది.
ఓకే.
సో అదేంటంటే మళ్ళీ జాబ్ ఎన్ని తిరిగినా కానీ మనకి జాబ్ ఎక్కడ దొరకలేదు. సో ఒక్కరి దగ్గర మనం పని చేయడం ఎందుకని చెప్పి నేను లాక్డౌన్లో యూట్యూబ్ అయి చూడడం వల్ల నాకు కొద్దిగా ఐడియా వచ్చింది అనమాట. యాక్చువల్లీ ఏంటంటే నాకు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కుకింగ్ అంటే బాగా ఇష్టం.
ఓకే.
సో అట్లా అని చెప్పి నేను కాన్సెప్ట్ తీసుకొని ఈ మొత్తం దగ్గరుండి ప్రిపేర్ చేయించుకున్నాను.
ఓకే.
ఈ బిజినెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. థ్యాంక్ గాడ్ ఇది సక్సెస్ అయింది బాగా.
I'm so happy Bhaskar Anna कि आपका ये सक्सेस हुआ है वीडियो. But the fact is कि that people love this concept of your scooter and the barbecue. That is the most important thing. So Anna, ఇది ఎట్లా నడుస్తుంది? సక్సెస్ఫుల్ ఉందా మీకు?
సక్సెస్ ఉందా
మీకు? మీరు ఆ జాబ్ వదిలేసి దీనిలో వచ్చినారు, మీకు మంచి
హ్యాపీగా ఉంది, సాటిస్ఫై ఉంది. ఒక్క దగ్గర జాబ్ చేయ అవసరం లేదు, మన కాళ్ళ మీద మనం నిలబడించాం.
Awesome. I'm so happy that one person here is successful with his business idea. I'm so happy about it. So let's check what's there in the menu here. Anna, మనకి ఏమున్నాయి మెనూలో?
బోన్లెస్ స్ట్రిప్స్ ఉంటాయి, బోన్లెస్ క్యూబ్స్ ఉంటాయి, వింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి, లెగ్స్ ఉంటాయి, ప్రాన్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే
అట్లా వెజ్ లో వచ్చేటప్పటికి గ్రిల్ పైనాపిల్ ప్లస్ పన్నీట్గా ఉంటుంది అన్న.
ఓకే, మీరు ఏం రికమెండ్ చేస్తారు ఇప్పుడు ట్రై చేయడానికి?
ఇప్పుడు ట్రై చేయాలంటే బోన్లెస్ కొద్దిగా ప్రోటీన్ కావాలంటే బోన్లెస్ స్ట్రిప్స్ ట్రై చేయాలి.
ఓకే, అది ఎంత అన్న ప్లేట్?
150 రూపీస్, 8 పీసెస్ వస్తున్నాయి.
Alright, so for our first thing, we've got the boneless strip recommended by Bhaskar Anna right here, the scooter master. So let's try that. What am I gonna do? You zoom in. I will try to do this. Okay. Hello viewers, how's it going? I'm John. Good dude. It's actually good. So we just left Bhaskar's spot. Amazing boneless fried chicken, and the guy was so nice that he just charged us 100 rupees instead of 150 rupees. But indirectly, he has increased the burden on me of eating another 50 rupees extra. Since 400 rupees left, let's see if we can spend this way. And I agree to. No? Nicely dipped ghee. Let's put some chutney. We've got a very staple chutney. Some powder and pepper. Let's try this. Show it up. Super hit. Nice. Accept the defeat. I couldn't finish the 500 rupees challenge here. I could just end up eating one boneless chicken strip and one idli, and that's it. That's my capacity for today. But however, I have found a very nice, very good initiative or an alternative, which is I've got a friend here, Rahul, who works for an organization for the kids, and I decided to donate that money to Rahul to help some good kids. And here is Rahul. He's got to tell something about his organization.
So thanks for your support and thanks for your initiative, right? So myself, Rahul, we guys are working for children education and women empowerment. So the organization is Array of Hope Charitable Trust. So we were working for children education and women empowerment. So as you know, guys, many girls in the slums areas, they don't know about pads and they do use a backlit. They affect with the internal infections like pregnancy issues, cancer and all, as you guys know. So for that, we guys are taking initiative in this. We have a girls team over here. They were aware about that, and we do provide a free of cost sanitary pads to them.
Proud moment for me. So here is the cocoa shake. It's full of dry fruits. I can already see it's so yummy. I'm not really sure. I'm just waiting for my turn. Final wait is over, and we have Shivraj here, the owner of this shop, the cocoa shop, and this looks amazing. He's got something to tell.
या एक्चुअली हम लोग शुरू किया था 3 साल हो गया था शुरू होके स्टार्टिंग का तो कोविड के पहले ही आफ्टर कोविड दे विल बी मच प्लेजर हम सब लोग अच्छा एंजॉय कर रहे थे जो हम लोग पास जो मिल रहा है जो बड़ा शेक्स है शेक्स जो है बहुत फेमस है सबसे वाला कोका शेक है पपाया शेक मफला शेक ऐसा आप लोग देख सकते हैं जो भी ये पूरा शेक्स है वैसे इनमें ऐसे आएगा सेम
Awesome. और आपका बिजनेस कैसा चल रहा है शिवराज भाई?
आप देख रहे हैं ना पहले पुलिस वाला आया अब अभी आप आया पहले आया तो आपको मालूम होता था कैसे चल रहा है.
Yes, and there's another trouble with the cops as well here. Just some time back, this whole place was empty, and now it is full with the people. An amazing cocoa shake here. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's really yummy taste. Like it's a mix of all the coconut as well as a few other fruits as well. So it's feeling great. It's a different experience. Yeah, rating I can say like 4.3 out of 5. Thank you.
So people here love this place. The coco shake is amazing, and I'm going to try it. I'm going to try how this is. All right. So this marks the end of our food tour here in Hyderabad, Madhapur, right opposite National Institute of Fashion Technology. I hope you enjoyed watching this video with my buddy here, Murli. And if you enjoyed watching it, you have to subscribe to my channel, Wild Taste Buds. And a like would really help. Plus, if you happen to come to this place because of watching this video, you definitely have to comment this. So over and out. Thank you. Stay safe and cheers. Bye. You're not stopping, dude.